this year we are celebrating the third edition of Justice D.D. Kamat Memorial Moot Court Competition. So when we are planning to conduct Moot Court Competition, one of the senior advocate, Suresh Twatikar, who is a High Court advocate, informed that he is going to help us, and he informed that why don't we have a name of Justice D.D. Kamat, who is one of the legal luminaries in Goa. He is the first advocate as well as he is the first Chief Justice in one of the states of Goa. And then we had a meeting with our management. Management said, yes, you can go ahead with the competition. And we started this event in year 2023. In year 2023, we plan to have only 24 teams. And our event is invitation event. We invite the teams will accept our invitation, they should come for our event. And this year, we got almost more than 30 teams, and we went with the 24 teams. Again, students requested, why don't you have 2 more teams? So as a result, we said that yes, let us go with 2 more teams. And we got 26 teams at the present. All the teams are, they, I think, showcase their talent. The entire event is organized by around 100 and 110 students. So all the students are divided into different committees and different departments. The event consists of organizing committee, we can call as core committee. This committee will take up all the departments. So each department is handled by one director and one assistant director. Plus they are having volunteers. So entire event is organized by students, and by these students are going to learn the, we can say, leadership qualities. And besides, these students are going to witness how the teams are arguing. So which team is good. So how to improve their standards. And because if you go to moot court, students are going to learn many things about what are issues raised in the problem. For each issue, they have to give the arguments with the help of case laws. Again, they are going to look into research capabilities. And the team which is the best team, we always say that best team should win. And students are going to learn many things. I mean, they have to learn about court panels. Because in the college we teach theory, and even they are going to know every year each student has to 30 internship. Besides that, they have to observe on civil case and criminal case. And with this, they are going to learn little rounds of court manners and court etiquette. And when they do moot courts, they are going to learn court manners. They are going to learn what are issues in the case, and how to argue each issue, and what is the prayer. And besides that, they can come to know how to, we can say, presence of mind is important. And plus, they are also going to have argument. Argument is one stage if you have to any trial. So here the students are going to come with various case laws, and they are with the help of case laws, they are going to argue how the moot court, and whether in this case they argue that his client should be, client should get the, he should get justice, and he should be winner of the competition. So here we'll this year we got many teams. If you look at our college, every year we may get all the topmost law schools in India, plus we can say unanimous autonomous universities. So like Law School Bangalore, Nalsar, and even Jindal, Symbiosis Law School. And every year we get all the top teams.
State legislation is brought by a state government that has been formed. Even though the
that is subject to research by judiciary, the family court in appeal, followed by High Court, followed by Supreme Court. It is not that it is not done.
Yes, Your Lordship. In this matter also, the judiciary's burden is getting increased, and you are going to go to first court,
Appeals. It is appeals which are faster. Trials take time.
but also the matters in relation to this registration changes from fact to fact. Your Lordship.
Maybe all no
So all
cases
these
are
cases coming for appeals and appeals is going to have problems, and also the rule of majority should always necessarily be right.
obviously so there will be a state coming. Like for example, how you are comparing to the Supreme Court. You started your argument saying that since it will affect the whole country, therefore we have come to Supreme Court.
That is because one of the provisions in this legislation is
Just listen please. Suppose if we dismiss your petition on merits, I take a hypothetical situation. What message it will send in the country to other states?
no such
So then obviously in a high court also one is going to go ahead.
So that is the way we have to Supreme Court.
That is what that is the test.
But this issue was brought in different high courts, and different high courts started giving different judgments. In such a situation, there was irregularity in law and there was no uniformity. We can see in this particular
Department for Justice GD Kamat Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition.
Hello, I'm Clive Fernandez and I'm the Deputy for the Competitions Department.
And the sessions went on really well today. It started at around 9:30. It ended on time. The second session started at around 12. Then that ended at 1:30. And now after both the successful prelim rounds, we have our quarterfinals going on right now. And we have our top 8 qualifying teams, that is team T4, T14, team 6, 15, 19, 9, 1 and 22, and we've till now had a very successful event.
So far the event is going very smoothly and it's shaping up to be a very successful event. We have day 3 tomorrow and we're going to do draw of lots for the semi-finals as soon as the quarterfinals are done.
First contention of your lordship is that possibility of abuse. It cannot be a ground for invalidating any legislation. It cannot be a ground in totality to challenge the validity of a constitutional provision because fear of perversion is no test of power. Your lordship, if you could refer to the case of R.K. Garg versus Union of India, page number 12 in the opinion. The court in this case said that the court must be adjudged by the law must be adjudged by the generality of its provision and not by its iniquities or mere possibilities of abuse. The legislative intent, your lordship, behind this enactment was to establish a clear, structured and clear framework by vesting the registrar with specific regulatory powers. The mere potential misuse of such a registrar's power, it does not question the validity of
and the coordinator for this particular third edition of GD Kamat Charitable Trust in collaboration with our college, the Moot Court competition that we have hosted. It is a 3-day event starting from 21st to the 23rd. That is, we have 26 teams registering. Yesterday afternoon they have registered. Now every year we allot one particular topic for the particular moot court. This year the topic is live-in relationship and the particular statute relating to that. So we have already sent the problem to the teams. Thereafter they had to submit their memorials. Now once they have submitted memorials, then we have a draw of lots followed by orientation. Orientation normally is the rules that we reiterate to them, and then we have the teams exchange of memorials after the draw of lots. So draw of lots is basically the areas where we have preliminary round 1 and 2 that took place today morning, post pre-lunch. So during that point of time, which teams will be against which team, this is decided by draw of lots, and that is a segment where we have the memorial exchange that took place yesterday. So today we had teams prepared for it, and most of the judges are practicing lawyers from Goa itself. Now tomorrow morning we will have the semi-finals that will take place, and best teams will thereafter enter the finals, followed by the valedictory. Now for valedictory back again, we are blessed to have retired Justice Bhakre sir, who will be the chief guest for the valedictory. This is normally the third edition that we are doing it this year. Thanks to GD Kamat Memorial Charitable Trust, they have collaborated with our college and have trusted us in organizing this particular moot court.
Hi, I'm Anushka Patel. This is third edition of Justice GD Kamat National Level Moot Court Competition. I have been in contact with the 26 teams that have been participating for this competition, and I must say they're very competitive and very efficient. The participants are required to submit their written arguments in the form of memorials, and they have done a great job as of now. And in the live courtroom, the arguments have been great as such, and I think it's going really well.
Good afternoon, my name is Savni and I am heading the Justice GD Kamat Memorial event 2025. So this time we have almost 16 departments working tirelessly for a 3-day event. We just concluded with our day 1 and we are in the second half of our day 2, that is we've already reached the quarterfinals. We have competition, scoring, memorials, judges and teams working in coordination with regard to today's event. Yesterday the socials department, the production department put up a really good show with the inaugural ceremony that was graced by Honorable Shri Justice Valmiki Menezes sir and other esteemed trustees of the GD Kamat Trust. Tomorrow shall be our semi-finals and finals, and we shall
I'm Swayam Chodankar. I'm a student coordinator of press department at the GD Kamat national level moot court competition. So this is the moot court room of Vmscl College of Law. So the moot court room holds immense importance when it comes to this competition, because this is the place where the final is going to be held. So the moot court room, as you know, is very well decorated. What we have tried here is to create a situation, create a room which resembles a real courtroom. So it is very important, we as mooters, we as students, when we go somewhere, we are going there not just to go to a competition, not just to win a competition, but to get a gist of what a competition about a moot is, what a moot court is to teach you what a real courtroom is like. So the entire spirit of a moot court lies into this room. So I'm really happy that I can share with you all how the courtroom looks. That is where the judge sits. These are the teams, the petitioners, the respondents, their seats, the podium where arguments happen, where the arguments have been said. The court marshals, they also had made witness boxes at both the sides so that we can give a complete overview of how a courtroom feel would be. At the finals, we will also have judges coming from various high courts and other courts who will be judging the rounds for the finals of the event.